Hello. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to compare and review two different German doppelbocks from Munich. The first one I have is Paulaner Salvator. I've had this before and I enjoy this beer very much. The other one is Spaten Optimator. This is another good beer that I like a lot. In fact, doppelbocks are one of my favorite beer styles. And well, what is a doppelbock, you might ask? Well, it's a double bock. And what is a bock? A bock is a strong German lager. It's a little darker than a light lager, a little stronger. And a doppelbock is just more of that. It's darker and stronger even still. Light German lagers such as Paulaner and Hofbrau, Spaten, they came about in response to Czech beer, Czech Pilsners, which are light beers like lagers. So the German answer was to come out with a light lager. And they call them in Germany Helles. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correct. I'm not a German speaking individual. H-E-L-L-E-S. Helles, or Hells, I don't know. But it means light lager. Or Helles means light. And a Helles lager is a light lager. And then the box came out, which are stronger versions of those. And the double box or doppelbocks are even stronger. So I have two of them. Paulaner and Spaten Optimator. Now, what's the difference between these two? Well, they're very similar. The alcohol content is very similar, I believe. Let's see. Optimator is 7.6 ABV. That would be this one. And the Paulaner is 7.9 ABV. So just a tick more strong than the Optimator. But let's just see how they look here. Open them up. Yeah, that's nice and dark. Nice dark brown caramel color. Yeah, nice head on there. Well, a little bit of a head, not too much. Well, this one might look a little bit lighter. It's hard to tell. So let's see here. Side by, oh yeah. Yeah, Paulaner is definitely lighter in color. Heads are similar. I can't really tell anything about the bubbles, the carbonation. It's not a very strong smelling beer. The aromas are a little bit different. You would think they would be the same, given how similar these beers are, but you know they obviously made these differences since one's lighter than the other. So, a Paulaner. It has a good malty flavor. Very smooth. Very good flavor. Anyway, on the Beer Advocate site, the Paulaner is rated 88. Let's see how the Spaten compares. Very similar. A bit more of a coffee kind of flavor to the Spaten. If you're familiar with IPAs, typically the American IPAs, the craft brews, such as Dogfish and those, the Paulaner is more of a flavor along those lines. It's closer to that kind of flavor. Whereas the Spaten is more along the flavor lines of a porter or a stout. A little bittier, more bitter, more coffee-ish type of flavor. So choosing between the two, if I were only allowed to buy one of these in the future from now on, I would have to choose the Paulaner instead of the Spaten. I mean, they're both good. I like them. I like them both. And, you know, maybe I'll be in a mood where I like this one more. But for now, I like this one more. This one seems to be have a tad bit better flavor. It's just, it seems more drinkable. This, I mean, I like porters, I like stouts. This is kind of like a lager mixed with a stout, or maybe, no, it's hard to say. But it's good. It's good. And I would definitely drink some more of it. So, I'm gonna. Where's my cigar cutter? Ah, here it is. Have a cigar with these. See how that goes. Now let's see how that goes with the Paulaner. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, it goes better with the Paulaner. So there you have it. These are both very good beers. I would recommend either one of them. But my preference between the two is the Paulaner. Thanks for watching.